Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to install Google Gemini in phone. So first, just simply go ahead and go to your Google Play Store, and after that, just simply tap on the search icon at the bottom and go to the search bar at the top, and just simply search for Gemini over here. And now you should be able to see here Google Gemini. So just simply tap on the icon, and you should be able to see here install. And after that, just simply go ahead and wait for the application to install. Just simply wait for a while. And now, once it is done, you can just simply open it up. And from there, you should be able to install the Google Gemini in your phone and you can set it up. And from there, just simply go ahead and provide all of the necessary information needed and you should be able to use it. Now, guys, if you are using an iOS or Apple device, it will be just the same thing. Just simply go to the App Store instead of Google Play Store. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.